Though it may no longer exist, Honda, Kawasaki, and Suzuki continue to lead the way in the 600cc Supersport class. It was just a matter of time until Honda declared their plans to enter the Supersports market in 2025 once the other two did. Big Red has introduced the CBR 600RR in America for that very purpose. The main drawback is that you're still receiving the outdated model rather than the newest one offered in Europe. The new color is the sole noteworthy alteration for 2025. The previous Grand Prix option has been replaced with a deep pearl gray livery. The bike is covered in a base coat of dark gray, with highlights of light gray and white on the fairing, fascia, and tail. A faint red band, meanwhile, provides some contrast. Sadly, if you don't like what you see, there aren't any other hues available. If Honda had wanted to give fans more options, they might have at least maintained the Grand Prix X Red option. It just serves to highlight how slowly Honda has approached the 600RR in the United States. Everything is the same except for the livery. You essentially get the same look that debuted with the 600RR model year upgrade in 2013 combined with 2009 dated mechanicals. What you're getting, therefore, is a motorbike that is essentially simple and without any contemporary amenities like as an engine, suspension, or electronics. The 599cc inline 4 engine is the core component. This engine produces around 113 horsepower and 47 pound-feet of torque at just over 14,000 RPM, which is reached at just over 10,000 RPM. A 6-speed gearbox transfers power to the wheels, enabling a peak speed of more than 160 mph. Fuel injection and optional ABS are the only electronics since, as was already said, there are no contemporary features. Even the instrument cluster, which has a simple LCD, is outdated. The RR's frame is composed of an aluminum twin spar chassis. The monoshock and Showa BP fork on the bike include preload, rebound, and compression adjustments. There are also twin front discs, Tokiko calipers, and 17-inch rims supplied. Well, that's our review today. See you in the next video.